the Great Synagogue Square of Tel Aviv. The synagogue is located on the corner of Allenby and Echad Ha'am. A piece of history. The synagogue, which was built in 1925, is one of the city's oldest buildings. It holds a lot of important historical significance. One of the fascinating facts is that it once housed hidden weapons during the British Mandate. Throughout the years, the synagogue was gradually renovated to accommodate to the times. The synagogue was built to accommodate 3,000 people. Allenby is one of the busiest streets in central Tel Aviv. During the day, it is a public transit lane only. Unlike the neighboring street Rothschild, Allenby is a fast-paced moving hub with a lot of commercial real estate and many stores. The street is aligned with trees, which hides and provides shade to the synagogue. Although a busy street, the merchants took a big hit during the COVID-19, and transit has significantly reduced. Allenby by night. Usually in the evening, the street is one of Tel Aviv's hotspots, with many of the best nightclubs, bars, and restaurants in the area. However, now it is rather empty. There is a very cool walking path with small lights that lead to many historical and significant places in the area. It is like a guided tour without the tour guide. Har Sinai Alley. This is a unique alley that is located on the side of the synagogue. During the day, it is used as an alleyway and parking lot for the synagogue and surrounding shops and restaurants. However, at night, the street becomes a pedestrian hotspot, with hundreds gathered at the local bars that put tables and chairs outside. This area is, especially in the summer, one of the trendiest and most popular local hangouts. However, everything has taken a different turn with the start of COVID-19. The current reality. Due to the current health regulations that require Israelis to social distance and the reality that restaurants are closed to seating and synagogue worshippers are not allowed to pray inside, the open-air space surrounding the synagogue is now used for a dual purpose. If you take a walk in the area, you will find a unique situation where people are praying and others are eating their takeaway meals in the same shared alley. Something special and spiritual has occurred. Even on the Sabbath, Friday evening, you will see religious people praying and secular people hanging out in a shared space respectfully. Our vision. After observing closely the area in both daytime and the evening, we realized that although there was no real connection between the two groups of people that share this common space, both groups of people were using that space for their personal enjoyment. We decided that even though the two groups of people are not necessarily connected, we could connect them and have them continue to use the space to their personal advantage, however, together. It is really beautiful to see that sometimes even those on the street having a drink join in and sing the traditional songs with those praying. It even happens that those praying, once they finish, go and enjoy a beer in the alleyway as well. Our plan to merge the two. In the space between the synagogue and the restaurants, we created a structure of arches, which connect the prayer plaza and the entertainment plaza. Both are merged together with a joint roof. The arches stand at different angles and are made of stainless steel painted on the outside and sanded on the inside. This creates a mirrored effect that reflects all angles. Since the angles are curved, you have the ability to see all the different points simultaneously. It provides the feeling that we are all united under one roof, which solidifies the ability to be connected and united despite our differences. We chose to paint the arches in pastel blue, which according to color psychology creates in the humane psyche a feeling of well-being, calmness, and pleasant thoughts, a feeling we want to give to those sitting under the rainbow. In the interior of the arches, there is a strip of warm LED lighting, which turns the area into a magical bubble at night, visible from a distance and is very inviting to those passing through. In conclusion, it was our goal to create a united area in which those praying and those in the alley socializing can coincide, which satisfies the objective of both parties. We truly believe that this could be a uniting factor that would bring different people in the same city together. Thank you.